Let's look at the dollar index. And I think, as we know, last year when we were talking about that, the dollar, of course, hit all kinds of new all-time highs on global currencies around the world. And last year, there was no stopping it. This year, we're even seeing commercials that, the dollar is going down. The dollar is in trouble. I may not disagree with that. And of course, the terms of the dollar is in trouble and that the dollar is going down. However, if we were to look at these things in historical perspective, if you go back as far, and I can tell you that if you go back as far as you wish, the dollar is still very close to all-time highs, even though it came off the highs in last October and the market has rallied. The dollar, if it is dead, and there could be a lot of reasons why it should be, it's still, don't think that it is going down and it's becoming worthless. It is still the strongest currency in the world. Now, yes, there are backdrop problems all over the place, but you can never, just like America, you can't really rule out the dollar. And so let's see where the dollar goes, I think, in this new range here for the dollar index of 101 to 105. It's sitting basically in the middle. If it does get above 105, we're probably going to go higher in the dollar. And that would tell me the stock market is going to go weaker. But however, if the dollar becomes weaker, there is a strong probability that the stock market could go higher. And that is the relationship we have now. And so that's a very important thing to note as we look at one final thing before we go to airing. And that is, let's look at crypto here. Here's Bitcoin. So we did hit our 30,000 objective like we thought right back here. This was something, at least I correctly predicted this. However, it is now falling. And today, of course, it made another low. And as a result, there will be some support in the area coming soon. We're now down to 25,000. My thinking is the market can go to about 23,000 and some change. And I would be a buyer of cryptocurrencies at 23,500 on Bitcoin. And that would be around, on the Global Bitcoin Trust, I would be a buyer of around 1190 a share. So those are things I'll keep you posted on going forward. And that's an update of the markets as they are right here on the middle of June of 2023.